tried to get a picture of him last time, and he flew off when I came around the door, so I'm going to sit here and let you hear his call first. It's a woodpecker.